Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Greg and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in Teespring, Wix, or generally making passive income online, I think you may want to subscribe to this channel. A little bit about me so you know what I bring to the table is, first off, I'm a small business owner and my company's success has been featured on the cover of one of the largest magazines locally, as well as in articles and other major publications. Secondly, I'm an online entrepreneur, and this is really where I excel. I've studied and tried a ton of different ways to make money online and compressed my findings down to the ones that actually work. Because I've spent so much time in this space, I began teaching people what I found. Primarily, I host my courses on udemy.com, and thus far I've taught over 12,000 students in over 150 countries. I have 4 best-selling courses and 2 top-rated courses on the entire Udemy website. Lucky for you guys, on this channel, you'll be getting some sneak previews of clips that are in paid courses. If you want to take any of my full courses, there's a link in the top of this channel, and then typically in descriptions of videos there's links as well. But the bonus for you guys is you can use the promo code YouTube discount to get any of the courses for the lowest Udemy will allow me to sell them for. All you got to do is type in the discount code under the buy button. I hope you guys decide to stick around. If you have any specific video requests, just let me know. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to talking to you guys in the comments.